close and then come back to you. And the headline really is that it's all about the mid-cap recovery, and that's very heartening to note. The Nifty hasn't done too much, but the Nifty also has managed to, come back towards the flat line. It's been a slightly volatile day for the headline index. The net result is about a 22-point dip. If we talk about the key movers and shakers on the way up, BEL, because of course the entire PSU and defense pack was rallying higher. BEL is the biggest winner on the Nifty right now, 3.5%. Other names included Hindalco, Eicher Motors. A couple of banks have done really well. The Bank Nifty has been rock solid today. What a comeback by the Bank Nifty, 1% higher. So ICICI Bank, Axis, Kotak, IndusInd Bank, all of these have done really well today. Aside of banks, some names like Eicher Motors, like I mentioned, there's Tata Steel, BPCL, and ONGC also on the upside. What didn't work was IT. TCS, Infosys slightly lower. Some of the names from the pharma space like Dr. Reddy's were a little weak as well. And some selling seen in HUL. HUL is down about 2%. So consumer, IT, pharma, not quite in vogue. But banks have been the big story on the large cap screen. But Prashant, I guess mid caps are looking really good.
Oh yeah, small caps and mid caps are the real sort of winners today. And maybe just 5-6 names we can mention. BSC, of course, is a larger name, but still in that space. Tata Investment Corp, both of them, BSC and both market related. Swiggy went up about 8%. Zomato was up smaller, but of course Zomato fell less as well. Zomato up about 4%. Your names like RVNL, which was up sharply. Aegis Logistics, very large volumes and gains. KRN Energy, recent listing, did well. Reddington, PG Electroplast, the EMS name, after some time saw some buying. Minda Corp was up sharply. There was all consumer names in a way, right? Bikaji was up sharply. Goldium, the lab-grown diamond, the hotel company, Taj GVK about 20% higher as well. So enough and more really coming through, and a good day overall for portfolios. Heaving a sigh of relief, literally, after what has been very, very painful for many weeks now. Well, we'll wrap it up here in this edition of Closing Bell, but stay with us. Ruby and I'll take you through markets forward in just a bit.